Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today we will read sound of vowel I. First, KIT kit, SIT sit, FIT fit, HIT hit, BIT bit, LIT lit, MIX mix, SIX 6, FIX fix. When you read these words at that time, speak loudly and make a video. Send in a group. Thanks. Have a nice day.